Welcome back, space enthusiasts. Get ready for an exhilarating journey as we dive deep into the wonders of the Red Planet. Mars, a world that has fascinated us for centuries, holds mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Today, we bring you 7 mind-blowing facts about Mars that will leave you astounded. Mars has a radius of 2,106 miles, 3,390 kilometers, which is about half the size of Earth. However, because Earth is mostly covered by oceans, Mars actually has roughly the same amount of land as our home planet. That means there's plenty of room to explore on Mars, if we ever get there. Mars is home to some impressive geological features that dwarf anything on Earth. The largest volcano on Mars is Olympus Mons, which is a staggering 16 miles, 25 kilometers, high and 374 miles, 600 kilometers, across. That's 3 times taller than Mount Everest and about the size of Arizona. The deepest canyon on Mars is Valles Marineris, which stretches for 2,500 miles, 4,000 kilometers, and reaches depths of up to 4.3 miles, 7 kilometers. That's about as long as the United States and 4 times deeper than the Grand Canyon. Mars has 2 small, irregular-shaped moons named Phobos and Deimos, which are thought to be captured asteroids. Phobos is only 14 miles, 22 kilometers, across, while Deimos is even smaller at 8 miles, 12 kilometers. They orbit very close to Mars, so they appear much larger in the sky than our moon. Phobos is so close that it orbits Mars faster than Mars rotates, which means it rises in the west and sets in the east twice a day. Mars is not a dead planet. It has seasons, polar ice caps, and weather, just like Earth. However, these are more extreme on Mars due to its greater distance from the Sun and its tilted axis. Mars has 4 seasons that last twice as long as ours, because it takes 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun. The polar ice caps grow and shrink with the seasons, and are made of both water ice and frozen carbon dioxide, dry ice. The weather on Mars can be quite unpredictable, with dust storms, clouds, fog, and even snow. Mars has a very thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon. This means that it cannot retain much heat from the Sun, and the surface temperature averages -81 degrees Fahrenheit -63 degrees Celsius. However, there is evidence that Mars was once much warmer and wetter, with a thicker atmosphere and liquid water on its surface. Scientists have found traces of ancient rivers, lakes, deltas, and even oceans on Mars. They have also detected organic molecules and methane gas in the Martian soil and air, which could indicate past or present life. Mars is sometimes called the Red Planet because of its reddish color, which is caused by iron oxide, rust, in the Martian soil. The ancient Romans named it after their god of war because they associated its color with bloodshed. Other civilizations also named it for this attribute. For example, the Egyptians called it Herdesher, meaning the Red One. Even today, many people think of Mars as a hostile and dangerous place. Mars is one of the most popular destinations for space exploration. Since 1965, more than 20 missions have visited this planet, from flybys and orbiters to rovers and landers. Some of the most famous missions include Mariner 4, the first successful flyby, Viking 1 and 2, the first successful landers, Pathfinder and Sojourner, the first rover, Spirit and Opportunity, the longest-running rovers, Curiosity, the largest rover, Insight, the first seismometer, Perseverance, the latest rover, and Ingenuity, the first helicopter. These missions have revealed many secrets about Mars' history, geology, climate, and potential for life. And there you have it, folks, 7 fascinating facts about Mars that will make you see the red planet in a whole new light. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video out of this world interesting, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing space content. Until next time, keep your eyes on the cosmos, and let the wonders of the universe continue to inspire us all.